Dear CMA friends, parents, students, and everyone, I am very proud to talk before you. We have secured 5 All India ranks. All the 5 All India ranks, genuine ranks, with very great hard work of 1 year, test program, follow up, encouraging them. We got these 5 ranks. I surrender this success story. Of course, every year we are getting the success. Every year we are getting ranks. Minimum 5 to 6 ranks we are getting every year. If you go through the story of RR, it is very clear. Now friends, this success story, we have with us Shreya Varshini, All India 46th rank. Shreya Varshini, right from foundation almost, of course ranks are not being given for foundation, but rank student at foundation. Then intern, she will tell you her own practical life experience. Over to Shreya Varshini.
Hi everyone, I'm Shreya Varshini. I've secured an All India rank 46 in my CMA Intermediate. I'm an RR Academy student. Yes, RR Academy has been a very supportive part in all of my journey. Soon after I completed my 12th standard, my father guided me to take this course, CMA, Cost and Management Accountant. I came to RR Academy and I joined Foundation. All the teachers there were very supportive for me and helped me complete my foundation in the first attempt with very good marks. Soon after I completed my foundation, it was Dr. KNR who asked me to take both the groups together. I would say it was the best decision of my life. That's because most of us fear we fear our own self because we would not be able to manage everything, we would not be able to perform well in both the groups. That is what we fear for. That time, a very motivating speech helped me take both the groups together. I think that is the only reason I secured an All India rank. It wouldn't be possible if I had taken one. And I think the efforts I've put in all these months have helped me in this. The teachers were a very important role throughout my journey. I think taking classes all through the year was a very difficult task for them. Though they presented themselves in front of the computer from morning 6:30 to 8:30, night 6:30 to 8:30, their consistent efforts has given us a lot of knowledge. I would really like to thank every single teacher who has been a very big part of my journey. Second comes my friends. We need not say during the COVID times we all were suffering. That time having online classes had a very big impact. We couldn't wake up early in the morning. They were my friends who helped me really well. They helped me in studying, like group studies we had, and they helped me in waking me up for the morning classes. Friends were a very important part of my journey throughout. And I would like to thank my parents who were I think the biggest part they have played. They were supportive throughout. They had adjusted to every single environment around me. They helped me in attending classes, from dropping me here to taking me back, and supporting me in all other fields which helped me crack this exam. So I'd like to thank all the teachers, parents and my dear friends who have been a very important part of the journey. Second thing, coming to my preparation, almost when the exams neared, I had to go through the MTPs, RTPs, scanners and every other steps, for which I had to spend almost 14 to 16 hours a day. Yes, I won't say it is unbelievable, but it is really necessary if you aim for a high rank. And I think this efforts has led to the marks that I've scored now. And not advice, but the thing I would like to tell to the future generations who are seeing this would be, kindly attend all the lectures. Don't feel it is very hectic, it is very, I've had classes for the whole day so it is very tiring. No, please have a friend who could help you in everything, from waking you up, from being there for you and studying with you. I had a friend who did all these things for me and I'm very thankful to him forever now. And I think the second thing you have to keep in mind is being consistent. Please don't think missing one day's class wouldn't have a very big impact for you. In the longer run, it would have an impact. So try to attend every class that is going on. The third thing is be consistent in your studies. This is the only point. Don't wait for the last minute to prepare for the exam. This is a mistake I think everyone does in their journey. This affects you in the last minute. This gives you a lot of stress and also taking both the groups, it gives you so much of mental stress. I think more than dealing with these subjects, you have to deal with your confidence and your mind in the first state. So I think being consistent in your journey throughout the 8 months would really help you secure really good marks. So have faith in everything. First, have faith in yourself, have confidence in yourselves. The faculty here, the supporting team here, the director here are all there to help you in every aspects of your journey, from motivating, from providing test papers, from providing everything you want. They are always there, a phone call by. So I think this journey would be a very enriching one for you as well. I thank everyone for giving me an opportunity, and I would like to thank the God who has given me this opportunity as well. Thank you.
Friends, it's not that girls alone coming in the top level, but also boys. They are not inferior to anybody. You know, we have a story of a boy who used to sit at the last bench. Even I was not having any idea about him when he was attending from foundation onwards. But we identified that student, he is a capable student. We made him to come to first bench. Of course, myself, Ramesh sir. Then he started realizing never give up attitude made him to get a rank. Over to Santosh.
என் பேர் சந்தோஷ். நான் வந்து 48th ரேங்க் எடுத்திருக்கேன் ஆல் இந்தியாவில். இது வந்து எல்லாத்துக்கும் காரணம் வந்து ஃபவுண்டர் கேஎன்ஆர் மட்டும்தான். பட் அவர் தான் எனக்கு வந்து ஃபஸ்ட்டு எப்படி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்தாரு. அதுக்கு முன்னாடியே வந்து 10th தான் எனக்கு ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் சிஎம்ஏ இப்படி இருக்குன்னு எனக்கு தெரியும். அதுக்கப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக சரி இதுக்கப்புறம் எப்படி படிக்கிறது. நான் 12th வந்து கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்கூலில் தான் படித்தேன். எனக்கு சிஎம்ஏ இந்த இன்ஸ்டியூட்டில் இருக்குன்னு கூட எனக்கு தெரியாது. இது கைட் பண்ணது அதே மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்டாஃப். அதுலேருந்து நான் சிஎம்ஏ வந்து ஃபவுண்டேஷன் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணேன். ஃபவுண்டேஷன் ஃபஸ்ட் அட்டெம்ப்டில் கிளியர் பண்ணிட்டேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் இன்டர்மீடியட் உடனே வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணேன். ஜாயின் பண்ணும்போது ஃபஸ்ட் ஃபவுண்டேஷனில் எப்படி படித்தனோ அதே மாதிரி படித்தேன். பட் வந்து என்னால் கிளியர் பண்ண முடியல. அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் ட்ரை பண்ணேன். என் கூட எனக்கு யாருமே ஹெல்ப் பண்ண யாருமே கிடையாது. பேக்ரவுண்ட் யாருமே இல்லை. நான் மட்டுமே படித்தேன். எனக்கு எல்லா ஸ்டாஃப்மே ஹெல்ப் பண்ணார். ஃபவுண்டேஷனில் வந்து எனக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ண ஒரே ஒரு ஸ்டாஃப் ரமேஷ் சார் ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ் எடுத்தார். அவர் மட்டும் தான் எனக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருந்தார். மற்ற எல்லா ஸ்டாஃப்மே ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாங்க. பட் அவர் எனக்கு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா வந்து இப்படிலாம் படிக்கணும் எனக்கு எல்லாமே சொல்லிக் கொடுத்தாரு. எப்பவுமே நான் லாஸ்ட் பெஞ்சில் தான் இருப்பேன். பட் அவர் கூப்பிட்டு என்னை ஃபஸ்ட் பெஞ்சில் உட்கார வச்சு படிக்க வச்சார். அதுக்கப்புறமா நீ ஃபைனல் வாடா, நான் கண்டிப்பாக வருவேன், நான் பார்க்கணும் உடனே அப்படின்னு சொன்னார். அதுக்காகவே நான் படிச்சுட்டே இருந்தேன். இன்டர்மீடியட் ஃபஸ்ட் அட்டெம்ப்ட் போயிடுச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம் திரும்ப நான் விடவேல ஜாயின் பண்ணி திரும்ப அகைன் லாஸ்ட் பெஞ்சில் தான் இருந்தேன். பட் வந்து நானே எனக்கு மாற்றிட்டு ஃபஸ்ட் பெஞ்சில் வந்து படிக்க ஆரம்பித்தேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த கொரோனா டைமில் எனக்கு அதிகமாக டைம் கிடச்சிது. பட் நான் படித்தது வந்து லாஸ்ட்டாக ஒரு 4 months தான். பட் நான் படித்தது டோட்டலாக பர் டே 16 hours. ஒன்லி நைட் ஸ்டடி மட்டும்தான். எனக்கு பகலில் சுத்தமாக படிக்க வராது. நைட் ஸ்டடி மட்டும்தான் பண்ணேன். பட் எல்லாருக்குமே அது சூட் ஆகுமான்னு எனக்கு தெரியாது. பட் நான் வந்து நைட் ஸ்டடி மட்டும்தான் பண்ணேன். எல்லாருமே வந்து பிகினிங்லேருந்து படிங்க. நான் படித்த மாதிரி வந்து யாரும் தப்பு பண்ணாதீங்க. நான் வந்து இதை வந்து செகண்ட் அட்டெம்ப்டில் தான் நான் வந்து இதை சரி பண்ண ட்ரை பண்ணேன். என் கூட படித்தவங்க எல்லாருமே ட்ராப் அவுட் பண்ணிட்டு போயிட்டாங்க ஃபஸ்ட் அட்டெம்ப்டில். நான் மட்டும்தான் வந்து வந்து கண்டினியூ பண்ணிகிட்டே இருந்தேன். இப்போவும் நான் மட்டும்தான் படிக்கிறேன். எனக்கு யாருமே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸும் கிடையாது. ஃபஸ்ட் பெஞ்சில் உட்காந்து படிக்க ஆரம்பித்தேன். லாஸ்ட்டில் இந்த கொரோனா டைம் வந்து வீட்டில் இருந்து ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் வந்து எனக்கு அவ்வளோவா எதுவும் இல்லை. பட் வந்து நான் ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் வந்து ஃபுல்லாக எழுதி நானே வந்து இந்த மாதிரி நடத்துகிறாங்க அப்படி மைண்டில் போட்டு நானே திரும்ப ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் முடிஞ்சோடனே நானே திரும்ப படிப்பேன். அது மட்டும்தான் எனக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு. பட் இது ஸ்கேனர் அப்புறம் எம்டிபி லாஸ்ட்டில் எம்டிபி ஆர்டிபிலாம் வந்து ரிவைஸ் பண்ணேன். பட் அதுவே எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்துச்சு. நான் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணவே இல்லை 48th ரேங்க் வரும்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து எனக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ண எல்லா ஸ்டாஃப்க்கும் ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ்.
Friends, if any girl student comes to RR Academy, we tell their parents in front of them, sir, these students will make you lead a wonderful life in future. It is the order of the day. To be very frank, don't mistake me. Girls take care of their parents at their older age. True. So, girls, when they come, you are capable of passing. You are determined to pass. We have a girl who studied in Meenakshi College. Normally they say strict college, but in spite of that, with a hard work, determination, taken my verse of doing both the groups at the same time in final. Listen the success story of Vaishnavi, rank holder in final.
Hi everyone, I am Vaishnavi. I am an RR Academy student. I have secured All India 36th rank in my final. So I would like to say you all. So in your final, you have to take two groups together. Whatever you have did in your inter, because I learned this. In my intermediate, I took two groups separately and I wrote my exams. I got good marks, but all exemptions, but I couldn't get a rank. So I thought to give it a try. And then here in RR Academy, all the faculties members usually support you to take two groups together so that we can get rank easily. Then I would like to say here I have so much support and encouragement from all the faculties, especially UK sir and then Ramesh sir, Prasad sir. Everyone helped a lot in getting good marks. Then so what I would always say is always hard work should be supported with a smart work. Studying all the chapters together, sitting whole night and studying the same thing again and again will never help you. So what you have to do is study what impresses you. If you have 10 chapters and you are good at 6 chapters, it is enough. Be ready with all the 6 chapters and get 60 marks. It's always better than studying all the chapters, having partial knowledge and everything and getting lesser marks. So I support this way of learning. And then online, it was new for me. Online exams were new. I was preparing for a offline exam. I was ready with, I started practicing. I worked out a lot of sums in every subject. So and then suddenly the notification came that it was an online exam. I was shocked. I didn't study for a week. Then I realized I can't sit idle. I have to do something. And then I started preparing slowly. But then it helped me a lot, practicing daily all the sums. I used Scanner for studying. It was very useful. And then I used to call my teachers and ask them how should I study. I would text them every day so that I should know how I have to proceed, how I have to face the online exams. I was really scared when they said it was online. And then as days go by, I was used to it. We had a lot of MTPs which Institute has uploaded in the website. I practiced each and every paper 2 to 3 times and then it was useful for me. Here I have to thank my sister. She is a CMA, so we both together studied. She always supported me, she always encouraged me. I would like to thank her. I like to thank my mom. In between I stopped, I thought I should not give this attempt. I thought I should not write the exams in December. I was scared because online was different to me and usually I don't know to use the system a lot. I was scared because of that, but my mom and my sister were so supportive. They said I have to give a try, I should not leave it just like that because I have prepared a lot. Then after, even my friends also supported me and then I took up this. I didn't expect a rank, I expected good marks, but rank was just another gift for me. I like to thank RR Academy, faculties and everyone who supported me. In this place I also like to thank God because nothing can be possible without Almighty. Thank you.
Friends, 27 years non-stop ranks. In RR Academy, ranks are no more an achievement. It is our way of life. Every year we are getting. So this year also we got. Continue to get. We produce the best minds to the corporate world, best CMAs to the corporate world. Our students are working in ITC, Tobacco Unit, Bihar, about 11 students. ITC, Hotel Division, Paper Division, and so on. And not only that, all the places like Ford, L&T, Coal India Limited, Tamil Nadu Electricity Board, and so on. So RR Academy, whenever you think CMA, think RR Academy. Come to us, we'll make you pass. Pass, 4-letter word, important for us. Always we think of passing. Whatever may be the course, pass. Ranks, it depends on the students. We accept. The student is brilliant, hardworking, they will get rank. But what about those students? Backbenchers. Bring them before. Bring them to first bench. Make them study. Even I was a backbencher. Make them study. Because life. Girl students come more in number to our academy. Because they have the responsibility of making their life and their parents' life a prosperous one. And I would like to say, even in future, June batch, December batch, let the question paper be tough. That's what we want. Let the question paper be tough. Tough people gets going. Survival of the fittest. The students, those we produce in CMA, especially, they are the best when they attend for interview, conceptual clarity, and they are able to solve every issues. That is why our students are at a prosperous level. So friends, our success story will continue. It will continue forever. Please come. We will take care of you. Do both the groups. High pass percentage. CMA, think RR Academy. We will make you pass. We will make you to light a lamp in your family. Assured success. Assured job opportunities. Prosperous life. RR Academy.